Okay, so this is a tutorial for beginner traders that don't understand how to use the MT4 platform and would like to get a better understanding of how to use the platform. Now, this is the MT4 trader platform. This is a platform that traders use to place their trades on the market. Here we have the chart. So we have the chart, the actual chart here. These are the price values over here, and we have the time values below here. So here we have time, here we have price. So as you can see here, we have November, today is November the 10th, and below the time value we have different charts. So this is the GBP USD, this is the Euro USD, this is the USD Swiss, and so we have different charts below the time value. So these are just the charts that I prefer to use. Now, if you would like to add a specific chart to your platform, all you need to do is you go over here that says create new chart, and you click it, and you just simply click on the chart that you would like to add. Now, there are various charts depending on your broker. You have some brokers only offer a set amount of currency pairs, while some brokers offer a large amount of currency pairs. So it's depending on the broker you're using, the amount of currency pairs you will have available. Here we also have gold, silver, we also have indices. So there's a large variety of stuff that we can trade. So if I was to click this, then I would get a gold chart. Also, if I wanted to add a different chart, say for example I wanted to add the GBP USD chart, I just click GBP USD. There's another way you can add charts to your platform. You can also go over here, which is the market watch. So over here we have the bid and ask price. This is a bid, this is the ask price. So if you want to add a chart, all you do, you right click and you click chart window, and the chart will appear on your screen. So there's many ways to add charts to your platform. So now I'm going to show you guys how to customize your charts. Now my charts are in this color because I choose this color. You can choose any color you want your charts to be in. All you simply do is you right click your chart like this, you go on properties, click properties, and you change these colors. Now for example, if I want my background to be white, I can click white. If I want my down bar to be black, I can click black. So, and I click OK, and that's the color that you will see on your chart. So you can customize your charts to the coloration that you prefer. You can save this design. If you like this design, you can save this design, and you can simply do this by right clicking your chart and going on templates and click save template. And once you do this, you type in a name for a template, say white chart, and save. And then if you want to load that template on another chart, you simply go on the next chart and say this is now the Euro USD, and you right click, you go on template, you click on template, and you click load template, and then you look for the template that you just saved and you click the template and open, and there it is. So that's how you save the design that you want and put the design that you want on your chart. Now these things that I have here are indicators, and you can add any indicator you want to your charts, and you can also customize the colors of the indicators that you want. So for example, I'm using two indicators here, and if I want to delete one of them, I can simply click on the indicator and click delete indicator, and just like that, the indicator has been deleted. Now how to add indicators to your chart? Simply go over here where you see this icon here, and you click it, and then you'll see a list of all the indicators that you can add to your chart. So for example, if I want to add a moving average indicator. I go in trend and click moving averages. And then here you can edit the setting for your indicator. You can change the color. If you don't want it to be red, you can put it to black. You can customize the color and the settings for your indicator. So your MT4 platform is fully customizable. Also, we have over here, we have the time frames. So there are different time frames. Now I'm currently on the daily time frame. You have weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, each bar, each candle that you see here represents 1 week. So this candle represents a week, this candle represents 1 week. All these candles represents 1 week. On the daily chart, each candle represents 1 day. So this candle represents 1 day, this candle represents 1 day. On the 4-hour chart, each candle represents 4 hours. So this candle represents 4 hours, this candle represents 4 hours. You are from 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and it goes straight to monthly time frame. Now, depending on the broker, you may have more time frames. Now, some broker also offer 10-minute time frame and 2-hour time frame. Just depending on the broker, you may have additional time frame. Okay, so my broker only have 1, 5, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. So these are the regular time frames that you will see. Okay, for most brokers using the MT4 platform, these are the time frames that you'll see. Okay, some brokers using other platforms have additional time frames. How to place a trade? You simply click over here that says new order, and so if you want to sell the market, you can click sell, and if you want to buy the market, you can click buy. So that's how you place a trade. You just click any of these buttons and that's a trade. Now you can also edit your stop loss and take profits. Now how do you do that? You can simply click on this button over here that you see the zeros. You can click on it, and as you click on it, you'll notice a line over here. This line that says SL stop loss. So you can click on it, increase it, decrease it, and also you can edit your take profit. So same thing again, you just click on this. You can also just type the take profit in just like this. So you can type it in also. Okay, so that's one way to set take profit. Now you can customize the volume of your trade. Say for example, you want to trade with one volume. Now this simply means if you're profitable, you'll be winning $10 for every pip. So for every pip that the market moves, if you're trading at one lot, you'll be winning $10 for every pip. Okay, so one lot means $10 per pip. Now you don't have to trade at that volume. You can click here and you can go to a smaller volume. You can go to 0.05, which means you will be trading at 50 cents per pip. 0.01, which means you're trading at 10 cents per pip. So it's fully customizable. So just for example, I'm going to go ahead and place a trade now. I'm going to buy the market. So I can also edit my stop loss and take profit here. Now if I want to set my stop loss, given that I'm buying, I just simply click my order. So click my order and move it downwards, and that's a stop loss. Now if I want to edit my take profit, I move it upwards. Click and move upwards. So I click and move upwards, and that's how I can set my take profit. Now if I want to close out my order and take my profit, I can just click and close. So I simply click and click on close. That's it. You're out the trade. So it's something that is very easy to do. You can also zoom in and zoom out. So for example, if you want to get a broader picture, you can click over here, zoom out, so you can get a broader picture. And if you want to zoom in, you simply click the zoom in button and you can increase your zoom. So I hope this gives you an understanding of how to use the MT4 platform and how to place a trade and how to close out a trade.